RingtoneFeeder. Hold on, I gotta get this. Nice ringtone.
Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to the neighborhood.
Here at RingtoneFeeder, we've been creating original ringtones since April 2008. And as many of you remember, we began as a subscription where we delivered 2 ringtones each week for our subscribers, and it was originally intended to be just for the iPhone. But as the smartphones have evolved and as the app stores have evolved, and when our catalog exceeded 1,000 ringtones, we decided that we wanted people to have access to whatever tone they wanted, whenever they wanted it, without a subscription, and regardless of whether you had an iPhone or an Android device. Our philosophy has not changed. We're still making unique ringtones that put a smile on your face. Here's a few examples.
Your phone is ringing, yeah. Pick it up, here we go. The telephone is ringing again, my friend.
If you don't answer the phone, I'm gonna scream.
Hello? Pick up! Hey, you! I'm talking to you. Yeah, you!
Just say hello, hello. Say hello.
Hey, this is a telephone call for you.
Dude, I don't want to talk to you. I don't know who you are.
You have a phone call on your iPhone. It will go to voicemail if you don't pick up.
Dude.
You can get all of our tones by simply searching for RingtoneFeeder or Tone Packs in the iTunes app or on Google Play. Or simply go to RingtoneFeeder.com on your smartphone. There's something for everybody, so go to RingtoneFeeder.com. If you're looking for... People keep calling me. Yeah. No, I'm making a video for the ringtones. Yeah, No, I'm in the studio right now. Yeah, I should have put it on silent. I know, you're right. Okay, bye.
The phone's ringing. Ring, ring. The phone's ringing. Ring, ring.
So RingtoneFeeder.com has... Yeah. Yeah, I'm doing a video.